Chief Bizi Ogunjobi is the Pro-Chancellor, Samuel Adegboyega University, Agwe, Edo State, owned by the Apostolic Church. He explained to Funmi Ogundare why the act setting up the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, TETFund, should be reviewed to allow private universities access to it, and efforts made by the institution to establish a center for research and development of Ezan land, in the language and culture of the community, among other issues. Excerpts: Establishing a faith-based university will have its teething problems. What were they and how were you able to surmount them? At the time of establishing the university, one of the most critical challenges was funding, which we received from church members, and contributions which we had regularly in the church. We also had the university support groups that were requested to give to the institution. For instance, the residence of the Vice-Chancellor was built entirely by Ibadan metropolitan area, and you have other areas donating money and material, while some individuals donated generators. They levied each area to make the contribution. The second challenge was processing the application, so an academic committee was set up, made up of professors and members of the church, as well as engineers to build the university. Another group pursued the license and prepared the academic brief for the university, which was processed with the National Universities Commission, NUC. I happened to be the chairman of the board of trustees that worked on obtaining the license. After we obtained the license in 2011, then the university was inaugurated by former governor of Edo State, Adams Oshiomhole. Since the establishment of the institution in 2011, how many of its programs have been accredited and what efforts were made in equipping some of its faculties for NUC accreditation? We have all our programs fully accredited, and with the funding, we had to equip the library, hostels, laboratories, sports field, and tarred the road, which were inspected by the NUC before being granted a license. At the moment, we have the health sciences and law faculties, and we have submitted to the NUC and waiting for approval. As part of our expansion program, we have the College of Basic and Applied Sciences, Humanities, College of Basic and Social Sciences. In College of Basic and Applied Sciences, we have 8 courses: biochemistry, chemistry, computer science, industrial chemistry, mathematics, microbiology, physics, and statistics. In the College of Humanities, we have English language, French, history and diplomatic studies, religious studies, and philosophy. In the College of Management and Social Sciences, we have accounting, banking and finance, business administration, economics, mass communication and public administration. All these courses are fully accredited. Now we are trying to expand. The expansion will be in 2 directions. The first is to have new courses which are law and health sciences. The second expansion direction is to have postgraduate studies. We have established a postgraduate department and appointed a director who is a professor from the University of Ibadan, and we have 10 courses which have been approved by NUC, and by next session, we should be able to start.